Welcome back to Urban Ninos. This is your art friend Divya, and our drawing alphabet for the day is W. So I've already made a W on the paper. What I'll do next is I'll join the W with using two curves, and then I'll make another curve here and take it right till here. And then join it with this one. Make a nice beautiful eye and a big smile. Then here we make these. What is this? It's a whale. So W is for W H A L E. Whale. Try. Enjoy. Bye bye.